Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in Project Zomboid. This process is straightforward and provides a valuable fatigue reduction, helping your survivor stay alert. We'll cover everything from collecting the necessary ingredients to the final brewing steps. Getting your caffeine fix is crucial for surviving the apocalypse, so let's get started on brewing that perfect cup. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need a mug or a teacup to hold your coffee. Next, find a clean water source. A sink or a kettle filled with water works perfectly. Of course, you'll also need some ground coffee, which can often be found in kitchens or grocery stores. For those who prefer a sweeter drink, keep an eye out for sugar packets. Now let's get to brewing. Start by filling your mug with water from a sink or a kettle. Once your mug has water, right-click on it in your inventory. You should see an option to add coffee or create beverage. Select this, and your uncooked coffee drink will appear. Finally, place your coffee in an oven or on a stove to heat it, turning it into a hot, ready-to-drink beverage. With your coffee brewed, you can now drink it to significantly reduce your character's fatigue. This hot beverage is a great way to stay alert and focused during long scavenging trips or intense combat. Remember, a single cup can make a big difference in your survival. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Stay safe and energized out there, survivors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.